They may take our lives,
but they'll never take our freedom!
They seem quite optimistic to me. Maybe they do want to fight.
Did you vandalize Big Boy again?
You did that. You did that.
Oh boy, I got my painting Crocs on. You know what that means. I finish up my little paint project I got going on here. Last time I primered up a bunch of my suspension and my 9-inch. Also hit the bed sides. Turned out okay. Just wanted to get them sealed up. I don't really need these at the moment, but they're gonna sit in a box for a while. So I'm gonna take my bed sides down, repack them. And before I put that box together, I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, get some more wheels, and I want to make another dolly. Same thing I did with the cab, because once I start putting that together, it's gonna be rather large, take up a lot of space. So here we are, that's what we're using today. Old Grandpa even, there's the clear. He even labeled it for me, what I need to mix. What a guy. And believe it or not, that's the cheap stuff. Well, let's crack it open, check that color out. Today we're going with a little Smokey Grey. Grandpa did a paint run to the store for me. I was looking for a neutral color for the frame, maybe the inside of the cab, under the doors, fenders, that kind of stuff. Something that'll go well with the gold Bud picked out for the engine. And I think we're gonna paint the body blue, so this will kind of go with everything. So here we are. I had to get it out in the sun and give it a little mixy here. See what we're working with. Got two choices: gunmetal and black. I chose gunmetal. That'll be cool. Okay, can you tell I had too much coffee? I did wet sand the put a little 1500 on the axle. I don't know why. It's a little overboard, but that's the first axle I actually bought. I'm a little proud of it. Usually I just grab something out of the junk pile out back and fix it up. Here we go. All right, let's see if I can get paint all over my phone. So this is an 8 parts color, 4 parts reducer, and I need half hardener. We're gonna double that. I know it's pretty early to be doing math. Okay, this is where we make a mess. What did I say? 8. Okay, we're gonna go for 16. Fucking pissed it all over the fucking table. That's awesome. That is awesome. It was like $100. Remember, children, this is not a how-to channel. You come here looking for that, you're in the wrong spot. This is a watch me struggle channel. Alright, let's see if I could pour the reducer a little better. We gotta go up to 24. Oh yeah. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, got it on my phone. Alright, now we just need a 1. Fuck, I can't get it open. I don't think I did that right. Alright, we gotta split that one here. 24, 25. You know, a little bit, Dad. A little extra hard don't hurt, right? Alright, mixy mixy. Well, here's another tip. Don't double dip your sticks. Well, that one's got hardener in it. Don't put it back in there. You gotta keep them separated. You get your gallon of color all chonky and ruin $300 gallon of paint. All right, I'm gonna throw it in a gun and hit it. Well, my little GoPro camera died. It wouldn't read the chip, so I didn't record any of that. I wasn't gonna trash my phone. There's the first coat. Actually, 2 coats, sorry. That's the color. I'll do clear next. Here's all my little goodies. Figured what the hell, might as well paint the bed structure. There's a 9-inch. Yeah, I know it's not real exciting. I painted gray over top of gray, but we'll get some clear on it next, bring her out in the sun. Okay, time to make her shine. Here's what I'm using. A little clear, a little activator, 4 to 1. 4 to 1, I think we'll make a double batch. Oh shit, yeah, fuck it, let's do 16. You guys double checking my math? I should have brought E. There's my first coat. Looks like I missed a spot, a little light on my ears. So I'll hit that on the next round. And I gotta flip some of these parts over. Yeah, that won't be long. I'll be able to flip them here. Maybe about 10 minutes. I'll hit the other sides. And I'll flip over my bed supports and hit the other side and call her a day. Okay, round 2. Okay, there it is. This is shiny. I'm gonna let all this stuff hang. I got impatient. I hung these. I wanted to flip them and clear coat and seal up the underside, but it was still kind of sticky and I was sick of waiting, so I hung them. There's my diff. To bring one of these out in the sun. It's kind of sunny. It's overcast now, but gonna get a good look. Kind of like it. Should go with everything. Alright, so next time I'm gonna bring the kid here and we're gonna assemble this baby. That'll be fun. I've been looking forward to that one. So, and make sure you subscribe, give us a follow, and watch us put that together. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna throw brakes, axles. See ya, citizen.